Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you something very interesting and very useful. So guys, Google add new features, new things for us, and this time also Google add a new feature. It's very useful. You can create the presentations, you can create the videos, audios, MCQs, yani multiple choice questions or quizzes, and many more. So without wasting our time, let's start. So guys, to open Google LM, there are two ways. The first way you can open from Google, yani search Notebook LM, and there is Google Notebook LM, and you can click on it. The second way, you can go to your Google and you can click on these 9 dots, and the last one you will find Notebook LM. Okay, I click on it and I will get this type of interface. Okay, you can see now here what I recently created. It's here showing. So what you have to do, you have to click on create new first. Okay, now which type of presentation or MCQs or what do you want to create? Just if you have some PDF file, or you have the link, website link, or you can write the text. Yani suppose you want to create the MCQs for AI or cyber security, or you have the PDF file, so you will upload from here. Okay, if you have the website link, you will click here. Okay, or if you don't know, so you can discover from here, from the web. So it will show you the best features, best data from the internet. It will search the data. Suppose I write uh, I want to create MCQs about Photoshop. Not MCQs, I want to know about, I want to create presentation. Okay, just it will search from the Google and it will bring many of the data. It will collect many of the data and then you can choose from. So you can see now there are 10 tips on using Microsoft for presentation practical, presentation on Adobe Photoshop. You can import it, 7 more resources here. You click on it, so you can see now these all what you ask the Google. Okay. Okay, I go back here. Suppose I create new again, and here if I have PDF, so I can upload the PDF here. I can open this PDF. Suppose I have the Photoshop PDF tutorial. I will upload it and it will start uploading this PDF in Google LM. You can see now this file has been uploaded here. Okay, essential Photoshop image optimization. On the right hand side, you see there are different options like audio, video, mind mapping, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, data table, slide deck. Okay, so you can choose any of it and it will start create this video presentation. Suppose about this mind mapping, suppose I click on mind map, so you will click on it and you can see it's generating now. Okay, it has been finished, so you can double click on it. Like this, if I click on audio view, okay, so I can generate the video or about, yani it will ask you choose visual style, which type of style you want. There are different types of style. Okay, suppose I choose this one. Okay, what should um, the AI host focus on? Target a specific use case or different thing. You can choose it and click on generate. Okay, the best thing, NotebookLM will not ask you for money. It's free, and you can get everything free. So also I click on quizzes, suppose. Okay, flashcards. So it will start generating all of this. Until now it's generating. I tell you, um, how can you change the name? I click again. I come here, I select this, and I write here Photoshop. Okay, you can see now our flashcard has been done and quizzes has been done. Okay, these two still in process, so I choose the Photoshop flashcard. I click on it. You can see now, you can ask the student, you can open this and you can ask your students the different question and different sizes. Suppose here I come to studio, I open the Photoshop flashcard. What is the primary reason to avoid large image files sizes on the website? Okay, so just you will ask this question from the students, and they will reply, they will answer, and after that you will click on it. So large file size slow down the website. Okay, this is the answer, you can show them. And if you want to explain about this, you can click on explain, and you can see there are the reason, what is the primary, and the primary reason to avoid large image file. This is the reason, yani you can show the answer to the students, and after that you can explain them why this is the answer. Okay, like this. Now you can go to the next question. What is the negative consequences of making an image file size too small for the website? They will answer, and then you will choose this answer, and again you can explain them why this is the answer. Okay, I click on the studio again. Now image quizzes, I click on it, and we see which type of quizzes it created. So you can see now, this is the quizzes the NotebookLM created when preparing an image website. Okay, A, B, C, D. There are the multiple choice questions, and there is a hint also for the answer, so the students can use the hint to think the answer. Okay, like this. We have next question, this, next. So if you want 20 questions, you can write the 20 questions you need it. Okay, so like this we can use this mastering image. You can see this is the mind mapping what we created in the beginning. So you should see Photoshop tutorial, save the web, resizing an image, cropping an image, lighting. There are, this arrow means there are more mind mapping. You click on it, and you see now it's opening, and it's opening like this. If you open this, if you open file format, it's a JPEG, GIF, PNG. So this type of mind mapping you can also use in LM notebook. The best thing, you can change the language also. So in the language what you will choose, in the same language you will get the output. For the change, for changing the language, what will you do? You will click on setting and output language. There is now it's by default English. You can choose from here. There are almost 80 languages. Yani if we are talk about Pakistan, so Sindhi, Punjabi, Urdu, whatever language you want to create, Pashto, Sindhi, Arabic. Okay, suppose I click on Urdu, I save it. Okay, so now whatever you will search, it will search in Urdu language. Suppose now uh, I created the new one and it's showing this is Urdu, and I choose the mind map. Suppose again I choose the quizzes. Okay, so now everything it will create in Urdu. You can see it's written Photoshop बुनियादी तस्वीरें बनाएं. So you can see our flashcard has been created. Now click on it. So you can see now this is web के लिए तस्वीर महफूज करते वक्त फाइल का साइज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होने का क्या नुकसान है. एंड द आंसर इज़ इससे आपकी वेबसाइट की लोड होने की रफ्तार सुस्त हो जाएगी. यू कैन एक्सप्लेन दिस अबाउट इट हियर फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, so you can use any language for anything. Okay guys, you can see here reports. You can create the ready-made reports from here. Now you want to create your own or study guide or blog standard operating procedure, it will create the things yani on the same prompt, yani whatever prompt we write here. Suppose we just give um, about Photoshop, so whatever it will create about the Photoshop. So you can create the concept and everything. Okay, a mind map, I told you that this also you can create the data table uh, like in on Microsoft Excel. It's generating video also, it's generating. It will take little bit time, but when you will see, so really you will be shocked. You can download. The good thing is you can download and you can show to the students in your class, or yani if you are the university student, you can create the project on it. So here you one more thing, suppose you have this. Okay, and this is Photoshop में तस्वीर एडिट करने की बुनियादी गाइड. Okay, I selected this guide. So you can change the language also here. Yani I told you from the setting you can change the output language. You can change the language also here once you create anything. Now suppose we now this what we did, we make it this one data table. So you can see now this data table has been created. Okay, and this data table you will see like it's in the columns. Yani it's just I am giving you example. You can create your yani it's depend on the project or what do you want to create. You can see अहम मराइल का खुलासा इस्तेमाल होने वाले menu. See now our video has been generated. I just click on it and the video will be start. I can click here so for full screen. Okay, now we start the video. Have you ever felt stuck between having beautiful, crisp images on your website and having a site that actually loads fast? Well, you're not alone. But here's the good news. So like this, you can create the good video and for your project or whatever task you have it, and from here you can download the video on your computer and it will download in your download folder. So guys, I think this is the very good feature from Google to us, and you can get the benefit. Just write the correct prompt what do you want exactly. Okay, okay guys, so it was the video for today. If you have any question and inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box. Till the next video, take care. Bye.